Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to do a screen record with sound on a MacBook. Okay, what you want to do is click Shift, Command and number 5 all together at the same time. Shift, Command, number 5, then this one pops up. I'm already recording, so it looks a bit different. But yeah, that's not a problem. Okay, now you can see on the left, capture the entire screen or just capture a selected window or a selected portion. For me here is the stop recording button, but that won't show up if you just want to start the recording. Here, what is important are the options. For me, here it will appear a section called microphone. Then you just choose the microphone you want to record with. For me, it is my MacBook, my normal MacBook microphone, because I'm actually doing the video on my MacBook, so I'm taking the MacBook microphone. It's not appearing here because I'm already recording, but then just click it and then hit capture, and then it starts the recording. Okay. That was a little hack on how to do a screen record with sound on a MacBook. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.